Hello, this is my project. It is a flight simulator. It's called FlightSimulator24. What it does is it creates a flight simulator animation that you can control as the user. So we'll run it. And it's literally a 3D world. So this is all plotted using surface functions. And I'm using my Q and E keys to roll the plane. I'm using my W and S keys to pitch the plane. And I'm using my A and D keys to yaw the plane. So I can get some pretty good rotation and realistic movement from the plane here. And there's collision detection with the ground, so if my plane happens to hit the ground, it's actually going to end the game for me. So we'll see what happens. Game over. You lasted 35.35 seconds. So it tells you how long you lasted, and it exits the game for you. So we'll start the game back up again and show you some more of the functionality. So the plane is plotted using a STL file, and the 3D like mountain ground is using a height map and a texture, and then there's also this horizon ground off in the distance that stretches all over the whole plot using the same texture as the mountain. And finally, we'll avoid this mountain, we've got a hemisphere which acts as our sky. So we can't really interact with those, but we can only interact with the ground of the mountain. So I've added also world boundaries to the plane. So if we just get away from the mountain and we get to the end of our plot, you should see that it's going to keep our Z height the same, but it's going to put us back to the origin of the simulation. So we'll just keep flying. It's very fun actually to play, and it should, there you can see it coming up now. So as you see, it's kind of just a map, it's not really much. So we're reaching it, and we're back at the origin. Okay, so even if I leave the game using the closed window up here, it should still give me a game over. You lasted 98.52 seconds. That is my flight simulator game.